All right, you guys, I got 8 crates of Epicac from Mort, all on my tab. Now, whoever goes the longest without puking gets the last piece of pie in the fridge. Okay, here we go. How's everybody doing?
Good. Good so far.
All right, all right.
Nothing yet.
Cool, cool. You know, I don't know if you guys had any of that pie already, but that is some tasty stuff. That's from the bake sale that Lois was...
Ooh, one down. I know somebody who won't be having any...
I'm starting to feel funny.
Well, I feel fine. I guess I'm gonna...
Oh, boy! That means I win! I get to eat...
Oh, God! Why didn't anybody tell me?
Oh, my God, my insides are on fire!
No, please, no more.
Dad, I'm scared.
Get the phone. Call 911.
Lois, get in here!
Okay. I think it's all gone. I think it's...
I don't want to.
Peter, I need you to hold my ears.
Who wants chowder?
Brian, can I see that paper for a sec? Huh. That's odd. I thought that would be big news.
You thought what would be big news?
Well, there seems to be an absence of a certain ornithological piece. A headline regarding mass awareness of a certain avian variety.
What are you talking about?
Oh, have you not heard? It was my understanding that everyone had heard.
Heard what?
Brian, don't!
Oh, well, a bird. Bird's a word, well, a bird. Bird's a word, well, a bird. Bird's a word, well, a bird. Bird's a word. Brian, don't you know about the bird? Well, Peter's gonna tell you about the bird. Well, a bird. Bird's a word, well, a bird. Surfin Bird.